Hey everyone, welcome back to Everyday English Podcast. I'm Jay.
And I'm Mia. So happy you're here today.
How's it going, Mia?
Honestly, I'm starving. And it's your fault.
My fault? How is that my fault?
Because today's topic is food delivery. And now I can't stop thinking about it.
Okay, fair point. That's a solid connection.
Right? I saw the topic this morning and immediately got hungry.
That's dedication to the bit, honestly.
I try. Okay, quick thing first, everyone.
Yes, if you like the show, hit that like button.
And subscribe. New episodes every Monday, Wednesday, Friday.
And if you know someone learning English, send them our way.
We'd love that. Okay, Jay, I'm ready. Let's talk delivery.
So, be honest. How often do you order food delivery?
Too often. Like, embarrassingly often.
Same, honestly. It's just so easy.
It really is. One tap and food shows up. Magic.
Not magic, just an app and a very tired delivery driver.
Fair. Someone's actually driving through traffic for my dinner.
Exactly. It's easy to forget that part.
True. Okay, let's get into it. Start to finish.
From opening the app to the last bite.
Okay, first step. You open the app. What happens?
You browse the menu. Look at pictures, read reviews.
I always read reviews first. Like, is this place actually good?
Smart. I check the star rating and skip anything under 4 stars.
Same rule here. And sometimes there's a minimum order.
A minimum order? What's that?
Wait, you're asking me? I thought you knew everything about this.
Nobody knows everything. Explain it to me.
Okay, it means you have to spend a certain amount or you can't order.
Oh, like you have to order at least $15.
Exactly. So sometimes you add extra fries just to hit the minimum.
I do that literally every time.
Honestly, same. No shame in that. Fries are never a bad idea.
Never. So, minimum order. Good one to know.
For sure. Saves confusion at checkout.
And saves you from craving fries an hour later.
The real reason, honestly.
Okay, next. Before you order, you check the estimated delivery time.
Estimated delivery time. So, how long it'll take.
Right. Usually it says something like 30 to 45 minutes.
And if I'm really hungry, that feels like forever.
It really does. Time moves differently when you're hungry.
I've definitely refreshed the app every 30 seconds before.
Everyone has. It doesn't make the food come faster, but we all do it.
What about the delivery fee? That always surprises me.
Yeah, that's the extra cost for delivery, on top of the food price.
Sometimes it's small, sometimes it's kind of a lot.
Depends on distance and how busy it is. Rain usually makes it higher.
Oh, interesting. Never thought about that.
More people order when it rains, so demand goes up.
That makes sense, actually. Everyone's cozy and lazy at the same time.
Guilty. So, estimated delivery time and delivery fee.
Check both before you order. Good tip. I usually just order blindly.
Living dangerously.
Okay, my favorite part, promo codes.
Of course it is.
A promo code gives you a discount, right?
Exactly, like $10 off your first order.
I always search online for a code before I order, every time.
That's very you.
What? Free money is free money.
Can't argue with that logic.
There's also free delivery sometimes, if you spend enough.
Right, some apps do that. Spend over a certain amount, delivery's free.
So, promo code and free delivery. Always worth checking.
Definitely. A few extra seconds can save you real money.
I once saved $8 just by looking for one code first.
See, that's basically a free appetizer.
Exactly how I justify ordering more food with the savings.
Solid strategy, honestly. Okay, you've picked your food. Now you actually place the order.
Place the order. So confirm it and pay.
Right. You add everything to your cart, then check out.
And you can add special instructions too, right?
Yes. Like, no onions, please. Or extra sauce on the side.
Oh, I always write, please knock, don't ring the bell. My dog goes crazy.
That's a very specific and important instruction.
It really is. Trust me. The whole building hears him.
I usually just write, thank you so much. Feels nice to add.
That's sweet. Drivers probably appreciate that more than we think.
I hope so. So, place the order and add special instructions if you need to.
2 useful things to remember.
And double check your address before you confirm.
Oh, very true. I sent food to my old apartment once. Big mistake.
That's a story for another episode. Quick break, everyone.
If you're enjoying this episode, a like really helps us out.
It means a lot, honestly. Thank you.
And tell us, what's your go-to delivery order?
Now I'm even hungrier. Okay, let's keep going.
Okay, the order's placed. Now what?
Now you track my order. Watch the little map.
Oh, I love that part. Watching the dot move closer.
It's oddly satisfying.
It really is. And it usually says, your order is being prepared.
Then, out for delivery. That means the driver has it now.
Out for delivery. My favorite words to see.
Understandable.
What if it's taking really long, though?
You can message the driver or contact support if it's way too late.
Good to know. So track my order and out for delivery.
Exactly. The app usually keeps you updated the whole time.
I like when they show the driver's name and photo, too.
Same. It feels more personal, less like a mystery.
True. Makes the wait a little less painful.
Okay, the food's here. What do you do?
Depends. Sometimes I want contactless delivery.
Contactless delivery, meaning they leave it and go?
Right. They leave it at the door and text you a photo.
Oh, that's smart, actually. Especially if you're not dressed for guests.
Exactly my thinking, every time.
And don't forget to tip the driver.
Tip the driver. Yeah, that's really important.
They're doing a tough job, especially in bad weather.
True. I always tip a little extra when it's raining.
That's kind. So, leave it at the door and tip the driver.
Good habits to have.
I usually tip before I even see the food, just in case I forget.
Smart. Out of sight, out of mind is real. Okay, group order question. Ever order with roommates or friends?
Oh, that's a whole different challenge.
It really is. Everyone wants something different.
You can usually split the bill in the app now, which helps.
Split the bill, meaning everyone pays their part.
Exactly. No more awkward math at the end.
I appreciate that so much. I'm terrible at splitting bills in my head.
Same. Let the app do the math.
And someone always wants extra sauce that nobody else wants.
That's always me, if we're being honest.
I knew it. Okay, real talk. What if my order's late or something's missing?
Happens more than you'd think. First, stay calm.
Okay, then what?
You can say, my order is late. Can you check on it?
My order is late. Simple and clear.
Right. Or if something's missing, you say, I'm missing an item.
I'm missing an item. Good to know exactly how to phrase that.
Most apps will refund you or send the missing item.
That's a relief. And you can also rate the order after, right?
Yes, rate my order. Helps other people know what to expect.
I always rate honestly, good or bad.
Same. So, my order is late, I'm missing an item, and rate my order.
3 phrases for when things don't go perfectly.
Nobody's order is perfect every single time.
True. Mine's missing fries at least once a month.
The eternal struggle. Let's do a role play. I'm the app, sort of. You're ordering.
Okay. I'd like to order the chicken sandwich meal, please.
Great choice. That'll be $15 plus a $3 delivery fee.
Perfect. Oh, and can you add no onions, please?
Got it. No onions. Your order is being prepared now.
Awesome, thank you. Okay, 20 minutes later.
Your driver is out for delivery.
Yes! Okay, it's here. Wait, this isn't right. I'm missing my fries.
Oh no, sorry about that. We'll refund you for the fries right away.
Thank you. I'll still rate the order. It was mostly good. And scene.
Very realistic. The classic missing fries problem.
It happens to the best of us. Okay, let's recap today's favorites.
Good call. We covered the whole delivery journey.
First, ordering. Minimum order, estimated delivery time, delivery fee.
Then deals. Promo code. Free delivery.
Placing it. Place the order. Special instructions.
Waiting. Track my order. Out for delivery.
Getting it. Contactless delivery. Leave it at the door. Tip the driver.
Group orders. Split the bill.
And problems. My order is late. I'm missing an item. Rate my order.
So many. I'm definitely ordering delivery tonight now.
Same. Try one of these phrases next time you order.
So Mia, what are you ordering tonight?
Honestly, probably pizza. With a promo code, obviously.
Of course. Okay, everyone. Question for you.
Yes, tell us in the comments. What's your favorite delivery order?
And try our phrases. Track my order. Tip the driver.
We love reading your answers.
If this helped, give it a like and subscribe.
And share it with a friend who orders way too much delivery, like me.
Thanks for listening, everyone. Enjoy your food. See you next time.
Bye for now.
Bye, everyone.